Hello, welcome to luisitabakes. Today I made this amazing triple chocolate mousse au chocolat cake with a almond cake base and a passion fruit topping. So without further ado, let's get started. In a big mixing bowl, combine a quarter cup of butter and the same amount of vegetable oil. Then add half of a cup of white sugar and mix it until it's white and fluffy. Then add 2 eggs, half of a cup of buttermilk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla for a better flavor. Mix it until it's combined. Let's add the dry ingredients. So we need 1 cup of cake flour, 3 tablespoons of almond meal, and 11 agents, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it until it's smooth. Then take the batter and fill it into a prepared baking pan. Then bake it for about 25 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the tempered egg mixture for the chocolate mousse. So add 1 egg into a bowl on top of a water bath and add about 2 tablespoons of water. Whisk it and heat it up for a few minutes. Now it is safe to consume. We need this for each chocolate mousse. For the dark chocolate mousse, add 4 ounces of dark chocolate and mix it in. Then add 1 sheet of melted gelatin and whisk it until it's smooth. In a big mixing bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of very cold heavy cream and whisk it until it's stiff. Then add the dark chocolate base and mix it in until it becomes smooth. Repeat the steps for the milk chocolate mousse. So make a tempered egg mixture and add about 2 sheets of gelatin. Add 4 1/4 ounces of milk chocolate and mix it in until it's smooth. Fill the milk chocolate mixture into a bowl with whipped heavy cream and mix it until it's smooth. This looks so good. Now for the last chocolate mousse layer, we add 3 sheets of melted gelatin and 5 1/4 ounces of melted white chocolate. Mix it until it's all smooth. Then fill it into a bowl with whipped heavy cream and mix it in. The last layer that we have to prepare is the passion fruit topping. For that, heat up 2/3 of a cup of passion fruit juice just to make it warm a bit. Then add 2 sheets of melted gelatin and mix it in until it dissolved. Set it aside to cool a bit. Now it is time to assemble the cake. So place a cake ring around the almond cake base and fill it with the dark chocolate mousse. Spread it Then freeze it for a few minutes to make sure it's really hardened. And add the second chocolate mousse layer. Smooth it out and place it in the freezer for half an hour. Then add the third chocolate mousse layer and spread it out. Return it to the freezer, and when it's really cold, add the passion fruit topping. Make sure that it's not too hot anymore. Let this chill in the fridge for a few hours. And that's it. This is my easy triple mousse au chocolat cake with a refreshing passion fruit topping. I hope you liked this recipe. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Happy baking! Bye!